the bot. Battle begin. Oh, flame on flame. I love it.
Sawblaze already doing a couple wheelies with that heavier saw riding in the back. That's going to make it difficult to get under Blacksmith. Almost got under there, but instead takes a shot from the hammer. Blacksmith doing a good job attacking the sides of Sawblaze.
Uh-oh, he's going for a little ride. Oh, Blacksmith gets taken into the screws.
Sawblaze just so powerful.
Al Kindle and Blacksmith trying to get the right angle to use that flaming hammer. Oh, this might be an opportunity for him, but look at Sawblaze get away.
Sawblaze keeps hitting a brick wall every time he goes head-on with Blacksmith. He just can't keep his forks on the ground long enough to win the battle for low ground.
Oh, no, now he's
stuck in his screws.
He's stuck in his screws, and he's trying to hammer his way out. And there he frees himself, but not before taking a few shots from Al's hammer.
Tremendous driving there by Jameson Go.
Oh, nice job by Blacksmith to upend Sawblaze, who gets right back up. Oh, here we go. Blacksmith getting taken for a ride, right under the pulverizer. That's beautiful teamwork. I love to see that. That way everybody gets involved.
Oh, big hit there by Sawblaze.
Al Kindle's got to take advantage for the rare time that Sawblaze is actually on its head. Oh, he almost gets thrown into the screws.
You can see on the last few hits that Jameson Go has been having some success getting to the sides of Blacksmith.
Oh, that was the sweet reversal. I'm going to use my disc thing right on your flaming hammer, bro.
Beautiful move there by Jameson Go. Little 180.
Closing in on the 1 minute mark when the kill saws will get involved. They've been waiting patiently, by the way. Oh, here we go, Sawblaze again! Oh, and he just missed the opportunity to get him in the screws. This is right in front of us. Look at this, the flaming hammer. Don't get too close, Kenny.
I tell you, it's trouble. Every time Sawblaze gets underneath you, you're going for a ride.
Another solid hit. Blacksmith has gone into berserker mode with that hammer here in the final minute of the fight. Al Kindle's out for blood. 40 seconds to go as the kill saws take a piece of Sawblaze. Who's gonna put the exclamation point at the end of their name in the last 30 seconds?
Nice counter fighting there by Blacksmith. Both these bots refusing to give each other an inch. This is two absolute technicians at the top of their game right now.
20 seconds to go. Sawblaze trying to bully Blacksmith into the rails, but nice reversal by Al Kindle. Oh, it's hammer on hammer action.
Sawblaze's weapon has stopped spinning, and Blacksmith is trying to take advantage in the closing seconds.
This one will go to the judges in an action-packed bout. That was awesome. Look at Al Kindle, fired up. I'm surprised there aren't flames coming out of his head. You just put on a show for the ages, my man.
This was one of the best technical fights I've ever seen. So many hits, such amazing driving by both teams, but look at the damage to the top of Blacksmith there.
The judges will have to take that into consideration, and we're going to give them some time to think it over. Al Kindle thinks he won, but this one's almost too close to call. Remember, the judges score in a 7-point system, 2 points each for aggression and control, and 3 points for damage.
Once again, I'm glad I'm not a judge. This fight was so technical. Both were extremely aggressive, pulling out every trick in the book. Neither bot was able to control the match, so it's all gonna come down to damage. So many blows traded back and forth throughout this one, so the judges need to decide which bot actually did more damage to the other. I think Jameson's hammer saw was able to rip into Blacksmith's armor, but Sawblaze just couldn't get away from the flurry of blows from Al Kindle's hammer.
Now let's remember, Al Kindle of Blacksmith told us that if this fight went the full 3 minutes, it would be beneficial to his bot. What do you think?
I think he did a great job of hanging in there, landed some great shots. This one was a classic, Chris. 3 minutes just wasn't enough.
Sounds like they've sorted it all out, so let's go to Farouk to announce the winner.
The results from the judges are in. We have a split decision. Judge Lisa scored the battle for Sawblaze. Judge Derek scored the battle for Blacksmith. Judge Jason scored the battle for the winner, Sawblaze!